Hey friends, if you wish to fix xapofx1.dll missing error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So whenever we encounter this issue where a DLL file is missing, our very first approach is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution will be as follows. Search for Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable in any browser, any search engine, and then go to the first option, which is at learn.microsoft.com. The first option will be Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2022. Select it. Now, for a 64-bit computer, select the x64 version. For 32, it's the x86 one. Okay, so we'll select the second one and then I will open it. Okay, and then select I agree to license terms and conditions and then install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.